My name is Christina Rumbach, and I'm an attorney with Legal Aid of West Virginia. If you are following along in this segment, this is video 11. Otherwise, this video is discussing how to fill out the fee waiver form. This form is only necessary if you are unable to afford to pay the court filing fees. At the top of the form, there is a place to fill out the information about the case. You will put and this will be family court, as it is a divorce action, and then the county in which you're filing your action. If you have a case number, you can add it now, but likely if you're just initially filing the paper, you will not have a case number and you will leave that line blank. You will put your name where it says plaintiff or petitioner if you're the one filing the petition. If you are answering a divorce that was filed by your spouse, then you will put your name under defendant or respondent. The rest of the page includes instructions on filling out the form, and then under section B states information about your case. You will put your name, telephone number, and address. Page 2 describes what is involved in your case. Here you will put divorce. 3A, do you have a lawyer? You will check the box for no, as you are completing this without an attorney. The rest of number 3 and number 4 are not applicable to this action. Section C, this will be your income and will include all sources of income that you have. They want a full year's worth of income, so you will take the amount that you make, and if you have a monthly amount, you will multiply that by 12. For example, if your income is $100 a month, you will multiply that by 12 and put that amount in the appropriate box. You will put any wages from employers, you will put any food stamps that you receive, any benefits, Social Security, TANF benefits will all be recorded in this section. Once you've completed for all of your income for the year, you will add that amount together to come to the yearly total. Under 1B, you only need to complete this line is if you left the above boxes blank, and you will need to document that you have no income. Number 2A, you will list all of the dependents that you have. These can include children, adult parents, other adult members of your family, anybody that is supported by your income. And then under 2B, you will count up the number of dependents that you have, including yourself, and put that number. For example, if you have 2 children, on 2A you will write their names in, and then under 2B you will count your 2 children and yourself for a number of 3. Number 3, how much money do you individually or jointly have in cash, checking, and savings accounts, deposit certificates, and or bonds? What they're basically asking you here is how much cash do you have on hand right now at the time of filing. They want a number there. It really does not matter what number you put in, but do add a number that would be what cash you have at this time. At the top of page 3, you will answer 4A. These are your expenses for the month. And at this time, they do want a monthly amount. So you will put your mortgage or your rent amount, any car payment that you have, any other loans. You will include in a total of your average month of utilities, any credit card payments, any other debt payments that you have, cell phone bills, food, and this would be food that you spend over and above any food stamps that you may receive. Child care expenses. Also, do not forget to add in under other expenses expenses such as car insurance and gasoline. Just be sure to put the amount and then specify what that is for. Under 5A, you will list any vehicles that your name is either listed on the title solely or jointly with another person. They mostly want the year, make, and model of the vehicle. Also, if it is your vehicle that you use for your primary daily use, identify that as well. 5B, they want the value of this vehicle. The vehicle value can be calculated by taking the amount that you owe and subtracting it from the actual value of the vehicle. For example, if you have a vehicle that is valued at $5,000, but you owe $5,000, your actual amount and value of the vehicle is 0. 6A, you will list any real estate that is in your name or held jointly with another person. If it is marital and was the marital residence, identify that on the form as well, as you will not be able to dispose or sell that property until the divorce is finalized. 6B, for the total of the real estate that you own, you'll get that total by subtracting the amount owed from the value of the property. 7, what would the consequences be for you if a waiver of fees, cost, and security is denied? This basically needs to be in your own words, but you need to say a reason why you want the fee waiver and how it would help. You could say, things such as you would need to borrow money to file the divorce. An average filing fee is around $200. Once you complete number 7, you're basically finished with the form and all you will need to do is sign it. But before you sign it, wait until you're in front of a notary, because a notary must notarize your signature. And remember, when you go to have the papers notarized, you will need to have some form of photo ID for the notary to use. If you have any additional questions, please call Legal Aid of West Virginia or visit our website.